A rush of competition, the lights and sounds of a casino, all under your phone. That's the magic of online gambling apps. But beyond the initial excitement, what truly keeps players engaged? Is it the variety of games, from mind-bending puzzles to different challenges? Or it's the chance to win big against real people, wherever you are? Let's explore what makes a truly winning online gambling app. We'll uncover the secrets of what makes an online gambling app engaging and what keeps players coming back for more. So first, let's understand what are online gambling apps. Online gambling apps are like video game apps, but instead of just playing games, you can also gamble with others over the internet. These apps come in different types, like puzzles or racing games, and you can use them on your phone, computer, or gaming console. But to stand out in the crowd, it's important to make a gambling app that's easy to use and fun. According to Statista, the online gambling market is expected to reach $190 billion in 2024, which indicates a great business opportunity for investors and entrepreneurs. When you use a gambling app, you want it to be easy to navigate and enjoyable to use. This means the design should be user-friendly and make it simple to find and play your favorite games. That's also what makes a great experience for your users. Also, using a gambling app involves sharing personal and financial information, so the app must keep users' data safe and secure. This includes using encryption to protect users' information from hackers. A good gambling app should offer a variety of games, including sports betting and casino games, to suit different tastes. Making sure the app is easy to use and enjoyable is key to keeping users interested and staying ahead of the competition. However, each country has its own rules and regulations about gambling, so a gambling app needs to follow these laws. Also, gambling can be addictive, so gambling apps need to promote responsible gambling. This might include features like setting limits on how much money you can spend or offering resources for people who need help with gambling problems. Artificial intelligence can be used in gambling apps to improve user experience. For example, AI can analyze data to suggest games you might like or offer tips to improve your odds of winning. Developing a successful gambling app requires a team of skilled developers and designers. They use the latest technology to make sure the app runs smoothly and offers a great experience for users. Next, payment gateway integration and financial security. When users gamble online, they need a way to deposit and withdraw money securely. This means it is important to integrate payment gateways that are safe and reliable, so users can trust that their financial information is protected. Also, a good gambling app should offer customer support to help users with any problems they might have. It's also important to build a strong community of users who can share tips and advice with each other. To enhance user engagement, add gamification. Gamification means adding game-like elements to the app to make it more fun and engaging, so include things like earning rewards for playing games or competing with friends. To reach more users, gambling apps need to be available in different languages and suited to different cultures. You can translate the app into other languages or adapt it to fit local customs and preferences. Analyzing data about how users interact with the app can help developers make improvements and enhance the user experience. This might involve tracking things like which games are most popular or how often users are logging in. To attract users to a gambling app, it's important to have a solid marketing strategy. You can work on things like advertising on social media or partnering with other companies to reach a larger audience. The world of online gambling is always evolving, so gambling apps need to stay ahead of the curve. You can add new technologies like virtual reality or offering innovative new features to keep users engaged. If you're interested in creating your own gambling app, consider reaching out to IdeaUsher for help. We can provide guidance and support to bring your idea to life and make sure your app stands out in the competitive market. IdeaUsher offers development services to help create top-notch gambling apps as we focus on delivering great performance and making sure clients have full ownership of their app.